Let's go ahead and replace my old dresser. Here's the new dresser. Woohoo. So here's the final product. 6 drawers with this open space at the top. It comes with those lights, believe it or not. You could control the cutters with the nap or with the remote control. And I plug them right in right here, right next to my charger. So I have my charger up here now. You'll also have 2 outlets. Let me open this up so you could see. So very nice, highly recommended. Looks beautiful. You could use it as a night light. You don't have to have it on blink. You could just put one color and it stays on. You could dim it, you could change the speed. There's so many features on the control and on the app. And just so you see the drawers, they got a good depth to them. So can't wait to put these to use. All set up. Replace this little baby one right here. So I'm happy with what I got.